Welcome to another video. All right, so let's look at this math Olympiad question which is going viral. Okay, all right, so let's see how we can address this question. We are given 3 raised to m minus 2 raised to m equals to 65. Okay, how do we break this down? Okay, now let's do something here. Now we have minus here. Okay, so let's express the left hand side as difference of two squares. And before you can apply difference of two squares, you have to get something squared minus something squared. Okay, so we want to adjust the powers here. Okay, so I'll go ahead by multiplying the powers by 2 on 2. The idea is to bring 2 out in order to perform the difference of two squares. So I'll do same to the other one. 2 on 2 equals to 65. All right, so in case we're given x exponent n all times that, so this one will multiply. So we can go ahead and multiply this one. So this one can be written as 3 raised to m on 2 all to the power 2. Now in going back, the power will be like this, 2m 2. So this one will cancel that. So we can still go back. Or 3 raised to 2m over 2 the same as 3 raised to m on 2 all to the power 2. Okay, move on with the other one. So we have 2 raised to m and write it well. To the power 2 equals to 65. Okay, now we can perform the difference of two squares, but then let's represent what is inside the bracket by different variables in order to make it easier and faster. Okay, so let 3 raised to m on 2 be x, and the other one be y. So in going back, I can say x squared minus y squared equals to 65. All right, so we can perform the difference of two squares, x plus y, x minus y. Okay, now let's adjust the 65. Okay, now the 65 is the same as 13 times 5. Okay, so 13 times 5, but x plus y is more than x minus y. Since this one is positive, this one is negative, so we can say 13 times 5. It means the 13 is equivalent to the x plus y. Then the x minus y also good. Take the 5. So we have x plus y equals to 13. Let's call the first equation. Then x minus y equals to 5. As simple as that. Okay, so let's solve the equation simultaneously. Okay, so we have plus y minus y. We can add the two equations to get rid of y. Okay, so equation 1 plus equation 2. So we have x plus y plus x minus y equals 13 plus 5. So we have this one going 2x equals to 18. So divide both sides by 2, 2, 9, 18. So we know 1, we can find y here using equation 1. So we have 9 plus y equals to 13. So y is 13 minus 9. Okay. So y is 4. Okay, so let's go back to this. Okay. Now let's do the substitution. The first one has to do with 3 raised to m on 2 equals x, but x is what? 9. So we can change the right hand side. 3 to the power 2. So we have m on 2 equals 2. Therefore, m is 4. Okay. So let's do same to 2 raised to m on 2 equals y. Y is what? 4. So 2 raised to m on 2 equals 2 to the power 2. So m on 2 equals 2. Alright, so my m is still 4. Okay, that's that.